Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I am super excited about this unpackaging of this beautiful little package. I watch several YouTubers that have a subscription to Mint Mongoose. And if you're not familiar with Mint Mongoose, I will leave a link for the website down in my description box. But what it is it's just a cute monthly jewelry subscription. It's costume jewelry, but I love costume jewelry. You can tell I have costume jewelry on right now. So when they told me that they would send one of their packages to me, I was super excited. Now I think they have two different subscriptions that you can get. You can get one monthly subscription, which is their basic subscription, which I think is $15.99 with free shipping in the United States. And then they also have sort of an upgraded monthly subscription, which I think is $22.99. And that one is slightly different. But what I will do is down in my description box, I will put information on both the different subscription boxes, let you know what the monthly one entails and what the upgraded one entails. I think the basic monthly subscription is just called Mint Mongoose, and then the upgraded one is called Mint Mongoose Black. You obviously get more goodies in the upgraded one, but they sent me the basic Mint Mongoose, and I am thrilled to open this up. So we're going to open this up together. And like I said, it's free shipping in the United States and low cost shipping internationally. Let me open this up. In the Mint Mongoose subscription, you get 3 Mint Mongoose exclusive pieces. It's high quality jewelry with a retail value of $40 and up. You can customize your jewelry. You can get it in silver, you can get it in rose gold, or you can get it in gold. You can choose having earrings in there or not having any earrings. You can choose watches in there or not having any watches included. And then they also include a free gift every 3 months. That's kind of fun, like a fun pair of socks or hair accessories or a pair of sunglasses or things like that. This subscription is $15.99 per month. Here is the package. Isn't that cool? I love that. And they always include, I've seen this on other YouTubers that do these unboxings or unpackagings, they always include a little Werther's Original Caramel, which I will eat after this. And then the jewelry is in this with this little kind of embossed kind of wax ribbon, which is really cool. And I am going to open this up and I'll show you what's inside. I told them that I like gold. I am very warm skinned, and I asked them if they would send me some gold pieces. The first one, oh, it's like there's 2 in here, which is cool. This is cute. And it has this little, isn't that cute, Mint Mongoose on there. That is so adorable. So let me open this up. It says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. The first piece is, I feel like a little kid getting these. I just get so excited for this stuff. Oh, and this is so pretty. Look at that. It's a necklace that has, it almost looks like white little tulips. I'll show a close-up of this. This is so pretty. It has a little pendant that hangs down on your neck in the back. And then it has all these little tulips. I love that. And it's adjustable. It has several different loops that you can hook it on. I'm going to layer this over my other necklace, so let me hook it a little bit longer. There we go. Isn't that cute? Look at that. I love that. I get so excited for this stuff. And then the next piece is this, and these are matching earrings for my necklace. So I'm going to take the ones off that I have right now. And then I'm gonna put these matching earrings on with my necklace. I had seen so many other YouTubers unboxing these packages that I got so jealous. I was so thrilled to have them let me show you what they offer. And I'm gonna put this in the first hole here. Is that cute or what? They even included little protective backings for my earrings. I'm gonna have to sign up for this myself. Let me put the backing on so my earring stays in place. I love that. Then it matches the little necklace. Let me put in the other one. There we go. I like that so much. Okay, let's see what else is in here. I have one other thing in the bottom here, which is a cute little ring. And I think I'm gonna put that right on my finger in the middle. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I love this subscription box. I love costume jewelry so much. It gets me so excited. I swear I get more excited over costume jewelry than I do more expensive jewelry because you can get really cool different things. Love this little earring and necklace set. This is just so adorable, so cute. I'm going to leave a link for Mint Mongoose subscription down in my description box. I'll leave all the information down there, and I will also leave all the information as to what it entails, what pieces you would normally get, what your options are, and I'll also put the information down there for the Mint Mongoose Black subscription. Thank you everyone so much at Mint Mongoose. I love your jewelry subscription, and I will be signing up for it myself. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.